Some of us still see Islam as just the Quran, Salah, and if you are a woman covering yourself, isn't it? Now it's time to realize that Islam is not just these basics. There's so much more. And here are some easy-to-know facts about Islam that will make you smile at how much Allah has made this religion easy for us and given us a chance to earn endless good deeds. Today, let's dive into 15 beautiful facts about Islam. In Islam, when you get sick, it's considered a test from Allah and an opportunity to earn rewards. When you sick, Allah removed all your sins and gave you a chance to ask for forgiveness. The Prophet Muhammad said, "No calamity befalls a Muslim but that Allah expiates some of his sins. Because of it, even if it were a prick he receives from a thorn." A woman who covers herself is like a treasure box, precious, valuable, and protected. Just like a covered book remains dust-free, a woman who covers herself preserves her dignity and honor. Dua is a powerful tool in Islam. When we make dua for someone, the angels make dua for us. It's a beautiful exchange of blessings and mercy, so remember everyone in your duas. Smiling at someone is not just a polite gesture, it's actually a charity. According to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, smiling at your brother is a charity. So go ahead, flash those pearly whites, and earn some rewards. The Fajr prayer is a special blessing in Islam. It's a time when Allah is closest to us, and our duas are most accepted. So make sure to wake up for Fajr and start your day with a connection to Allah. Honoring parents is a fundamental aspect of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Paradise lies at the feet of your mother." So go ahead, show your parents some love and respect, and earn some rewards. Forgiveness is a beautiful aspect out of Islam. When we forgive someone, we're not only freeing them from their mistakes, but we're also freeing ourselves from the burden of resentment. Our intentions are just as important as our actions. When we do something with the intention of pleasing Allah, we earn rewards and blessings. So make sure to check your intentions before you act. Gratitude is a beautiful aspect of Islam. When we're thankful for what we have, we're more likely to be content and happy. So take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life. Seeking forgiveness from Allah is a powerful tool in Islam. When we make istighfar, we're cleansing ourselves of our sins and mistakes. So make sure to make istighfar regularly. The Quran is a source of healing and guidance for believers. When we recite the Quran with sincerity and faith, we're tapping into its miraculous healing powers. It's a beautiful reminder of the power and mercy of Allah. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful facts about Islam. Stay happy and blessed.